She's overtired. Her team won the banner today, but her little brother isn't feeling well. She's exhausted. She stayed up way too late partying last night. You little party animal.
Oh, come on, you don't need to make the laughing sound effects.
What are you doing? You weirdo. Don't laugh though. Gabe is like the king of not laughing. Look at his cold, soulless eyes with no feeling. He's brandishing his fist at me. It's quite the orange mustache you have there. Don't lick my camera. No wonder you're sick. You go around licking cameras. Okay, this time Gabe's gonna make the sound effect. Good timing, buddy. Good job, buddy. You're evil.